Now we are going to study how to make the pizza. First of all, you must have pizza dough. How to make pizza dough? You take 1 kg of flour, you put 15 grams of oil, which is olive oil, you put 17 grams of salt, you put 10 grams of sugar, you put 50 grams of semolina, you put 500 grams of water. You put in the machine, you mix them together, you beat the dough till when it is good, till when it is ready. Then you keep the dough to make it proof. To proof, you put the dough aside like 1 hour. Then when you finish, you cut your dough, you fold it. One pizza dough must have 200 grams or 190 grams. Then you open it. You have seen how I opened the pizza. When you finish to open the pizza, now we are going to make what we call Margarita pizza. By making Margarita pizza, we must have loaded pizza dough, we must have tomato sauce, which is pizza sauce, we must have mozzarella cheese, we must have basil, salt and pepper. So we are going to start making our pizza Margarita. We put tomato sauce on the beds of pizza. We spread the tomato sauce on the pizza. We leave this space so that you can see how you can take it when you are eating using hands. And then you can put some small basil. And then we put our mozzarella cheese. This is mozzarella pizza. We are going to bake it, but when you want another kind of pizza, for example, if you want chicken pizza, you can make this Margarita pizza and you add chicken cooked. That is chicken pizza. When you add mushroom over this cheese, it became mushroom pizza. Any ingredient that you can put. If you put mixed vegetables, it can become vegetable pizza. And when you add any ingredient, for example, if you add spinach and Parmesan cheese over Margarita pizza, it became what we call spinach pizza. Therefore, we are going to bake our pizza. Now, our Margarita pizza is ready. You see, it is thin and it is somehow hard on the bottom, which is called crunchy. Now, we are going to cut our pizza. We cut the pizza into 8 pieces. We could use pizza cutter or knife. And then we garnish our Margarita pizza with fresh basil. Now this is our Margarita pizza. Now it's ready. We can just start to eat it. Now we can taste our pizza. Our pizza is very delicious and it is nice. Thank you very much for watching and following the video.